What's up, guys? What I got today is a needoh ice cube fidget toy. Now, this is really good for people with anxiety, autism, and OCD, fetal alcohol syndrome, and any other mental disability, especially uh, Williams syndrome too, because people tend to get overstimulated, angry, and they feel fidgety a lot, and they need a fidget. So, I suggest using this. I got this from uh, Walgreens for like $5 or $6, even though they're selling this in the TikTok shop as well. It's stretched as well. Let me show you. So this cube is really good for anything, if you know what I mean. Let's see if it works. Here you go, needoh cube. There you have it. It turns itself back into a shape as it was as well, and it's really stretchy and it's really unique. So yeah, here's the needoh cube, ladies and gentlemen.